Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one, a pretty cruel day. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that the price gapped up and then spent the first 30 minutes just roaring to the upside, only to totally pull back, but then just continue to go down. A very, very shaky looking chart. Now, I'm not going to say that the entire chart's destroyed. In my opinion, that's being a little too dramatic. But yeah, to say that the chart's looking a little shaky, looking a little bit sketchy, I would 100% agree with that. And the level of support in my mind that is definitely a must-hold area going into next week is down there at 30 cents. Why is 30 cents so important? And I'm not saying this was going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake. But if the price were to come down to 30, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart that it just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas at least if the price can stay above that area, so if it comes down here and behaves in that manner, and then it works its way back upwards, at that point, you'd still have a set of lows here. You'd have lows there. You'd have these lows down there. You envision those as stair steps. And well, at least you still have stair steps progressing in the upward direction. But I mean, to have the price go back down through 30, that's literally putting things right back to where it was. And that's just not a good sign of strength at all. Now, if the price does decide it wants to try to work itself back upwards, where are some of these areas of resistance at? First key area of resistance is going to be right there at 32.5 cents. And the next key level up there at 34, but I'm not even going to really get 34 mapped out right now, because let's just first see if the price can actually go through a healthy consolidation or if the price is going to end up going right back to where it was. So yeah, not a good way to end the week here, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.